Hey guys! In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing a fun mini paper quilling flower that I've been working on these days. The lilac. Up until now, I have never made such tiny petals for a flower, so without any further ado, let me show you how things went. I used 1mm paper strips to make each petal of the lilac flower. If you have any questions about the materials you'll see me using in this video, be sure to check the description box below the video. I have a list of them there, along with links to videos where I share about my art supplies. I have wanted to try and make another miniature paper quilling project ever since I made my mini wreaths a few weeks ago, and since the lilac flower is a lovely flower about to bloom soon, I thought it would be a fun challenge for me to make it, especially because of its extra tiny petals. It was a bit too tedious to work with such a small size of petals, but I still really enjoyed being able to make this flower. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this video whet your appetite to try making mini art yourself. There's just something fun and unique about miniatures. Happy quilling and see you next time!